Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I'll show you how you can change video format on this device. So at first you have to go for the settings, find video and the audio. Right now pick the format into the video, and as you can see when you scroll down you can easily change it. Currently we set up this one, so you can spot it by looking on this mark on the right side, and if you want to change for another one, let's pick this one. As you can see, we can get the best picture. We can try HDR option, so let's get it. And as you can see, unfortunately this video format doesn't work on my TV, so we'll be back after a few seconds to the default settings. So if you want to confirm this format, you have to click OK, but I'm going to cancel. And we switch to the preview format. As you can see, you can spot here also the other formats. And basically that's all. So after that you can just go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.